ሰላም ሰላም ውድ ቤተሰቦች እንደምን አላችሁ? በዛሬው ዕለት ክፍል 61 ላይ የቀረቡ የአፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎችን ስሰራ የማሳያችሁ ይሆናል። እንደተለመደው ቢክ አካዳሚ በሚለው ዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ አፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎች ከናሰራራቸው የቀረበበት የሚገኝ ቻናል ነው። በዚህ ቻናል ላይ በርካታ አይነት የአፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎች ከነ መልሶቻቸው ከናሰራራቸው የቀረበላችሁ ይገኛል። እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች ለተማሪዎች እና ለስራ ፈላጊዎች እንደዚሁም ስራ ማሻሻል ለሚፈልጉ በስራ ላይ ላሉ ማንኛውም አይነት ግለሰብ የሚጠቅሙ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች ማወቅ ብትችሉ እንዴት እንደሚሰራ መገንዘብ ከቻላችሁ በየትኛውም አጋጣሚ ለሚመጡ የስራ ውድድር ፈተናዎች ላይ እንደዚሁም የትምህርት ጥያቄዎች ፈተናዎች ላይ የተሻለ መመለስ ያስችላችኋል። በመሆኑም የቻናሉ ቤተሰብ በመሆን መማር ትችላላችሁ። በዚህ ቻናል በየሳምንቱ ጥያቄዎች ይቀርባሉ። እስካሁን ድረስ ወደ 174 ጥያቄዎች ቀርበዋል። ዛሬ 175ኛውን ጥያቄ የማሳያችሁ ይሆናል። የቻናሉ ቤተሰብ በመሆን እንድትማሩ በድጋሚ ጋብዛችኋለሁ። ወደ ጥያቄው እሄዳለሁ። ኦኬ Question number 175. The sum of the weights of A and B is 80 kilogram. Half of the weight of A is equal to 5/6 times the weight of B. Find the weight of B. A 20 kilogram, B 30 kilogram, C 40 kilogram, D 60 kilogram. Now you are given the information and there are two objects A and B, and the sum of the weights of A and B is 80 kilogram. And again you are given further information which says that half of the weight of A is equal to 5/6 times the weight of B. So given these informations, you are required to find out the weight of B. So, which one is the correct answer? For a while, try to pause the video and try to search the answer by your own. And if you are in a difficulty to get the correct answer, just refer the solutions that I just provided here. I hope you get the correct answer for this question. Now let me show you how to solve this question. Now from the first information which says that the sum of the weights of A and B is 80 kilogram, you can convert this into mathematical equation in such a way as A plus B is equal to 80. Again, you are given another information which says that half of the weight of A is equal to 5/6 times the weight of B. And this word problem can be converted into mathematical equation as such. Half of A is equal to 5/6 times by B. And from this, you can rearrange and solve for A. Rearrange and get the value of A in terms of B, and A is equal to 5/3 times by B. Now you express A in terms of B. Then what you have to do is that substitute the value of A that you get in terms of B in the first equation. So the first equation, that means A plus B is equal to 80, can be written as such. 5/3B plus B is equal to 80. Now you substitute the value of A, which says that 5/B in place of A. Now get 5/3B plus B is equal to 80. Now you can again add the two terms 5/3B plus B. It means take 3 as a common and 5B plus 3B/3, which is 8b over 3 is equal to 80. Now crisscross it. 8b is equal to 3 times by 80, and 8b is equal to 240. Again, divide both sides by 8. You get b is equal to 240 over 8. And simplify it further, you get b is equal to 30. So the correct answer for this question is choice B. Now, if you get the value of b, which is equal to 30, you can also get the value of a. And a means 5 over 3 times by 5 over 3 times by b, and the value of b is 30, and you have 5 over 3 times by 30, and cancel this by, and you get 10 times by 5, and the value of a is equal to 50. Okay. This is all about today, and as usual, if you are this is your first time just watching this video, subscribe this channel and you get more aptitude test questions that I will post in the future on this channel. And this channel is very important for students and again for graduates who are searching for a job, because in any type of vacancy examination or educational examination, mostly aptitude test questions will appear. And if you are able to answer or able to know how to solve aptitude test questions, then you will be successful in any type of examination. For that matter, be a member of this channel. Again, share the channel for your friends and families.